Hi there, I'm Claudia.
And I'm Linda.
And this is Lighthouse Kids Club, now online.
So as many of you know, before this all happened, we used to have a kids club that met every Thursday, and it was just like kids drop in. There we used to do crafts, STEM activities, sports, and just a ton of fun stuff. And so we wanted to look at a way that we could continue to do that fun stuff right now amidst the craziness. So we decided to create Kids Club Online.
What is Kids Club Online, you might ask? Well, since we can't meet in person, we wanted to take things online. We're going to be making weekly tutorials and different kinds of videos every Thursday that we're going to post where you guys can follow along with us on different activities such as arts, crafts, STEM activities, and you guys can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Oh hey, for our first activity, we're going to do a melted crayon rock craft. Now, for this activity, all you're going to need is a box of crayons, an oven, some parental supervision, and a rock. And the best part is, you can find that rock outside.
Okay, so on your search for the perfect rock, you're not going to want it to be too big, or else you won't be able to pick it up and take it home for the craft. Another thing to note is that you don't want it to be too little. If it's too small, there won't be any room to paint on it. You'll want to find one that is just the right size. About the size of one frog, or the size of your hand, if you don't have a frog nearby for reference. Now you're going to take your rocks home and give them a good wash. Make sure that they're free of mud, dirt, or any bugs like that. Make sure they're super squeaky clean. Now you're going to let your rocks dry and take a moment to admire the special rocks that you have found for this awesome craft. While your rocks are drying, you can gather all the materials you need. Grab some crayons, oven mitts, and a piece of cardboard, newspaper, or a cereal box to keep your workspace clean.
Okay, so for this part, we are going to be using an oven. So we need you guys to make sure that your parents are involved and they're going to help you with this part because the rocks are going to be super hot. So make sure you guys are being safe and you're not doing this by yourself. So we're going to preheat the oven to 215 and then you're going to get your rocks, put them on the sheet, arrange them beautifully, and then you're going to want to put them in the oven just like this, and you're going to want to leave them in there for 20 minutes. You can set a timer so you don't forget, and then you can do something for 20 minutes, or you can start peeling the crayons so that we can use them for the rocks, baby. Okay, once your timer goes off, it is time to take the rocks out of the oven. And for this, you're going to make sure that you have a parent do it for you because although these rocks look like normal rocks, they are super hot. So what you're going to want to do is get them to just take one rock out of the oven at a time, just so that the other ones stay hot while we do our craft. And we're going to put it on our surface, whether that's newspaper or cardboard, so that we don't wreck the countertops. And remember, even though the rock looks like a normal rock, it is very hot, so you need to be very careful. Okay. So you're gonna wanna pick out some colors that you wanna use to melt on your rock, and you gotta work a little bit quickly because the rock will cool. And then what you're gonna wanna do is just gonna put it on the rock and do whatever kind of design you want. You can do some swirls. You can do some stripes like Claudia over there. You could draw a picture if you would like.
And remember not to touch the rocks because they're super hot right now.
Once again, yeah. Okay, so another way that you can make this is you can take a bunch of crayons at once. So I have 5 crayons right here, and actually hold them in a group and do it all at the same time. And if you hold them in the same place, it will work better. If you're moving really quickly, it tends to be a little bit harder. But yeah, there you can see it's starting to drip and mix together, which is really cool. You can do a bunch of different combinations, a bunch of different colors. If you didn't want to do something like this, you could draw a picture instead. There's a bunch of different ways that you could do it.
How it turned out. Some really fun colors and cool designs on here. Just make sure to not pick up the rocks until a parent tells you that they are cool enough to handle. And
we think they turned out pretty good, man. We hope you guys have fun doing this craft.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
For next week, baby, there's gonna be another one. Bye.